Welcome back, Nolimit Bee lovers. Join me as I get the bees from this Tyre to go into this bee box. Let's do it, guys. This is the second beehive I'm removing from this Tyre. Joining me on this removal is Daniel. We'll start by clearing the area as a lot of bush has grown up. As you can see, the comb are very white and brittle. This tells me that the hive hasn't been here too long. They just started building this comb. Because they are so brittle, I try my best to be as careful as possible while removing them so that they stay whole and intact. 2/3 of the Tyre is in the ground, and because of that and the angle, it is very challenging to remove the combs as best as possible, and also it's challenging to scoop these out in hopes of capturing the queen. So now I'll focus on tying up the combs onto the frames and preparing the box and getting it ready for the next step. Extra care is also needed when tying up these combs to the frame. Because they are so soft, they are easy to tear and break apart. So I try to be as gentle as possible. And that right there is also one of the reasons why I rather use thread to tie the combs to the frame in opposed to rubber band. Because of that, I can put as many wraps as possible to properly secure it to the frame, and it won't have any stretching or moving. They stay in place long enough for the bees to properly attach it to the frame. Thankfully, I got 3 frames of brood. Now, I place them in the box and I strategically place the box above where the beehive is situated. The next step is to smoke very heavily to force the bees out of the cavity and up into the bee box. As they move up and they get the smell of their combs inside of the brood box, they're going to move into the box. Whilst doing all of this, I keep a sharp eye out for the queen. Ah, here she is. Yes, I got her. Now the rest of this hive removal is very easy now. I will place the queen inside of the box and her pheromone will encourage the rest of these to go into the box. So now it's just a waiting game. Another hive safely secure and ready for a new home. Here are 2 more hive removal videos. Please like and subscribe.